Struggling to add voiceover on your own voice? Don't worry, I have got you covered. It's super easy to add voiceover on CapCut. Simply import your video and drag it to the timeline like this. You can see the voiceover right here. Click on it and CapCut will open up a voice recording window like this. Now, once you are ready, click the red record right here. Start speaking into your microphone when you are ready, just like this. Now, as soon as you have finished recording, click the stop button and you will see the record appear on your timeline right here. Now click on cross. Now after recording, you can click and drag the audio clip to position it exactly where you want it to appear in your video like this. You can also extend or shorten the length of the clip by dragging the edges like this. If you need, you can also adjust its volume by clicking on this audio and click on basic. Adjust its volume like this. You can decrease, you can also increase it like this. Make sure your voiceover is in sync with the video by previewing it. And that's it, you have just successfully added a voiceover to your project. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more editing tips. Thank you for watching.